This has been a dream of mine. I wrote at the beginning of the year I wanted to be able to sell inside Ponce City Market. And I thought that meant I would place 2 items in any of these boutiques and therefore like goal made. Something about this environment gave me the above and beyond. Bombshell is really important, especially here in Atlanta, especially right now, because in Ponce City Market, there are only now 2 Black-owned retail stores. And Atlanta as a landscape looks different than that. It's important that we have this here because we need all the different voices, the diverse voices of Atlanta represented in a place as iconic as this. My family is Liberian refugees. We came to Georgia. My grandmother was from Georgia originally. I grew up mostly here. After graduation, I said I wanted to go to Liberia and be the West African Oprah Winfrey. Initially, while I was in Liberia, I would make dresses and wear them to do my on-air stories. And people would watch the stories and be like, I really liked the dress you wore. I was not getting called as much for hosting as people wanted just my clothes. They wanted to buy my clothes. So I thought there's a business here. And my clothes are so easy for everybody to wear. And so that's something that I really fight for. I want to make sure that we have pieces that fit all different types of sizes and body shapes and ethnicities. It was so important for me to have the Liberian factory and shop and go there and have a business that wasn't selfish. It wasn't just focused on me making clothes for myself. It's focused on changing the lives of the women that work there. We don't have power in our shop, so all of our sewing machines are foot pedal. We keep tags on all of the clothes that say who made the garment. It's interesting because we've dressed celebrities, but we're from Liberia, which is a small, consistently top 10 poorest country, and yet we've found our clothes and pieces on some Hollywood A-listers. My grandmother, she left Liberia because of the war, and she worked retail at JCPenney for years until she retired from there, until she couldn't work anymore. It matters to me to have a store in a building where my grandmother once could never shop. I think that everything that I do is to bring forward a new narrative. I'm very excited to be able to do that every day that I open these doors. I know it's my shop, I know it's my family's legacy, and I know that we're making generational changes that people can talk about onward for years and years.